Welcome to NasBuilds. Today, we're transforming our AI agency website into a modern AI automation company, and we're doing it in just 15 minutes. Let's get started.
So first I will go to Google Stitch. I will search on Google. So I will click this first link, Google Stitch. Then it will open in a new interface. So I will select as a web because I am designing for my website Monas AI. So I will write a prompt here or command whatever you want to write. Create a AI automation company homepage. Sorry, I will write a homepage and other sections, and the name of a AI automation company is Monas AI. So I'll enter my website now, www.monas-ai.com. So it has fetched my website. So it has created some of the designs, 3 to 4 designs. So I will set up MCE for anti-gravity. So I will go to my stitch settings. Then I will go for export, and I will click on MCP. Then I will go to setup MCP. So I'll select my ID is a anti-gravity because I am using anti-gravity. You can choose whatever you want. So I will copy this code and I will paste into anti-gravity. So I will now open anti-gravity. So anti-gravity is opening. So yeah, I will go now here. I'll go to MCP servers. I will select or I will manage MCP servers. Then I will go with raw config because we need to paste our code here. So I will paste our code into this raw config file. So I'll click this one and I will paste the code. So I have pasted the code. Yeah. So it will look like this. So again I will go and refresh and I will go to config file. Then I will search for MCP because there is an option here. So I will search Stitch. So Stitch is available here. So I will install this into anti-gravity. Then I will enter my API key. So I will enter my API key. So it's getting saved here. So once it's saved, you can use MCP server in your and you can mention it in your agent and it will start working with the Stitch. So it is getting saved. I'll go back and I will select mentions. I will, sorry, no, not this one. I will go for it. MCP Stitch. I will type Stitch. So here it is there. MCP Stitch, MCP server. So I'll write create a. So I'll write redesign my Monas AI website using Google Stitch. The website interface should look interactive, and it should have 3D animation scrolling and 3D animation of AI on homepage and CTA. Then I will go for it. Then I will click enter. So it has started working. So let's see what it will build. We will wait for the compilation and all the written codes and new design. So let's see what it has been done. So it is looking for MCP server. It will ask for permission. So allow using this MCP tool. So I will click yes, allow this time. Yes, allow. And again it will ask some permissions. So it has generated one project ID. So we need to allow them to integrate into our anti-gravity IDE. So I will allow them. So it has fetched the data from Google Stitch, the designs and all. So I will allow all the things. So it has created one implementation plan. So let's review this, and I have some changes. So I will write do not use odd anime 3D animations. Use web search and implement latest AI designs or generate images you or videos you from Google Nano Banana Pro or Omni Flash model. So it will generate some AI images and some it will add 3D animation, latest 3D animation using web search. So I will proceed with this, and I don't have any changes to make. So I will proceed with this one command. So it has started working. It is doing web search for latest AI websites. So it has started to generate AI images. So the command has been processed and it has edited these many files. So we will run this. So first I will type npm run build. So it has started building compilation. So after running the compilation, we will run the development. Yeah, now we will go for npm run dev. So it has started working. Now we'll go to this localhost 3000. Okay, hey guys, what is this? This is not good, guys. This is not good. So I will go back to Stitch. I will copy this as a prompt or ID. It will generate one ID. So directly the anti-gravity will connect to our Google Stitch. So I will go to export. I will copy this as code. uh, no option is available here. So I will go to export, and I will go to netlify mcp. Then I will copy as prompt. So I'll come back to anti-gravity, and I will enter follow the below prompt and start rebuilding the full website of Monas AI. So I'll paste that prompt what I have copied from Google Stitch. Now I will click enter, and I will choose this MCP server. So it has all the things. Now I will hit it. I will go with 3.1 Pro high. Then I'll started working. So it has started working and editing files and getting new designs from Google Stitch. Okay, it has built and responded to us. Now we'll build the production. So it's npm run build, it's getting built. So yeah, now we will run npm run dev to check our websites. So I will click on this link, localhost 3000. Okay, great. Nice preloading animation. Okay, so guys, this video has been generated using AI. The right side you are seeing, it is like a advertisement or some marketing like that, you can say like that. And yeah, it's good enough guys, better than the previous website of our Monas AI. So it has implemented animations also, grid animation. So we have pricing over there. Okay, okay, good. So guys, we have this USD also. Whoever watching from US, they can check out this USD and euro, and we have other currency also. So default will be USD, and we have this select plan. If I select plan, I will go with this. You need to enter your full name. I'll enter as NasBuilds. Okay, I will go for e-commerce store. Message, hi NasBuild. Okay, so we need to enter our full name this side. Okay, got it. So I'll enter NasBuilds. Okay, NasBuilds. Okay, I'll enter as abc@gmail.com as text testing mail. Okay, message has been sent, and we'll receive in our email from the formspree.io. We have integrated formspree.io for the contact page. So yeah, it's working fine. Let's check the social links. For Instagram, it's working fine. You can follow me on Instagram, and we'll check on LinkedIn. So we are available on LinkedIn also. So yeah, it's working fine. All the links is working fine. Okay, refund policy. Let's check it out. Okay, everything is good. Let's check about us page. Core innovations. It has added all the AI generated images into our Monas AI website. Looks good, guys. What do you say about this? Comment below, or the next video should I do? And it has implemented an AI chatbot also. I'll enter what are the pricings and plans. So it has listed the pricing and plans from my website and showing to the client. I'll go with service list. Let's check this automation bot. Okay, it's working fine. Okay, how do I get contact?
And that's the new Monas AI. From an AI agency to an AI automation company in just 15 minutes. What should I build next? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to NasBuilds for more.